Hello, guys, we are into a new year and things are certainly not the same as the last year. Millions of jobs were lost, but things have improved significantly in the last 6 months or so. Pandemic is far from being over, and in the current scenario, it would be even more interesting to know which jobs are in high demand. So, in this video, we'll discuss the top 10 in demand jobs in Canada in the year 2021. Yes, the list is already out, and we are going to discuss that in this video. So, if you're interested, stay tuned. Okay, guys, the source of the information shared in this video is the details shared by a famous Canadian human resource company, Randstad Canada. Also, the list of jobs that I'll share with you have not been arranged in any particular ranking or order in the top 15 or top 10. Okay, so let's start with the list. We are still in the mid of the pandemic, and one of the most in-demand job at the moment is that of a registered nurse. Before COVID-19, there was already a shortage of nurses across Canada. According to estimates, Canada will need over 60,000 nurses by 2022 just to help with the aging population and the demands in already short-staffed departments. That's not even considering the needs of new COVID-19 patients. So you can imagine the demand of a registered nurse in Canada. Okay, the next one is a driver. Drivers of all kinds were in high demand well before the pandemic, and it's expected that this trend will only accelerate due to COVID-19. This is especially true for truck drivers, as they're among the frontline responders, delivering critical medical supplies to hospitals and ensuring store shelves across the country remain stocked with essential goods. This also applies to delivery drivers who are responsible for food deliveries and packages. Next one is a general laborer. General laborers are in demand across Canada. They can cover jobs in manufacturing, logistics, construction, assembly line work, and packaging, just to name a few. There are opportunities to land a job as a general laborer, as there are more openings than employers can fill. Next is customer service representative. While many people are working less, customer service reps have been working harder than ever, managing long hours of work. Right now, the need for customer service reps is enormous. The quality of customer service can have a lasting impact on business. These days, customers want to get a real person when they call, not an automated message. Next one is administrative assistant. COVID-19 has led to a surge in work for several departments within companies. Health and safety, legal, HR, and accounting are just some departments that have been busier as a result of the crisis. Administrative assistants are needed to shoulder the burden in areas like providing general office support, answering and redirecting calls, data entry, assisting with accounting, and a variety of other clerical tasks. Next one is sales associate. If you have got a knack for sales, 2021 may be your year, as sales associates are crucial for both business to customer and business to business sales. Though e-commerce driven sales have soared in popularity for those who prefer to shop in stores, sales associates are an interpersonal connection for customers with invaluable product knowledge. If you are conversational and outgoing, you'll have your choice of employers, particularly in essential sectors. Okay, the next one is accounts payable and receivable clerk. Now more than ever, businesses need effective cash management and a clear understanding of their financial situation during the crisis. If you have experience using accounting software, the ability to calculate, record, and maintain financial data, you are needed. Most of these roles now offer the opportunity to work remotely. Next one is the project manager. From cultivating positive virtual environments for working remotely, ensuring teams are collaborative and meeting deadlines, project managers are a critical asset for companies across Canada. Though project managers are in demand across many sectors, if you have a background in IT, manufacturing, or construction, your talents are especially sought after. Next one is a welder. The job opportunities for welders in Canada seem endless, especially if you are a certified Red Seal welder. Although not always compulsory, having your Red Seal certificate makes you a superior candidate. If you have experience and skill, welding can land you a job in a number of industries including aerospace, manufacturing, fabrication, mining, construction, and many others. Okay, before talking about the last job which is in the top 10, let me tell you that I'll tell you 5 more jobs, so it will overall be 15 most in-demand jobs. So I really hope that many more people would be happy to see that. But before that, let me talk about the last job which is in the top 10, which is the electrical engineer. So in today's digital age, electricity truly keeps the world running. From electric power generation and distribution to cars, smartphones, and computers, electrical engineers are integral to thousands of companies. Demand is also high for electrical engineers with well-rounded skills that go beyond the technical knowledge, including communication skills, writing skills, and project management. Okay, so these were the top 10, but as promised, I'll tell you 5 more in-demand jobs which will make the complete list of top 15. I'm pretty sure many people from the IT industry would be worried that there's no one from IT in the top 10. So yes, IT is there at 11th position because it's about the software engineer. Then there's an accountant, which is also in need, in a very high demand. A merchandiser is also in high demand. Then an HR manager, and finally a financial advisor. So those are the top 15 in-demand jobs in Canada in the year 2021. Now I'm pretty sure that if your job was not listed in the top 15, you would be concerned about it, worrying if your job is in demand currently or not. And if you have any queries like that, please put it down in the comment section below. I would definitely try my best to answer your queries. So thanks a lot guys for watching this video. If you like the content, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions, any queries, please put it down in the comment section below. And yes, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please click the subscribe button before moving on to the next video. Thanks again.